Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Scottish Desi Asmat here. Sab logon ko Eid Mubarak. I'm going to be making lamb on tawa today. So come and have a look. Let's see what I've got here. आज हम बनाएंगे लैम्ब ऑन द तवा. So tawa gosht जिसे कहते हैं. Tawa gosht बनाएंगे. So what I've done with the lamb is I've added yogurt and I've squeezed the juice from half a lemon into the lamb, and with a pinch of salt. Some garlic. I've got some ginger. This ginger I'm going to use on the tawa later on. These few slices I'm going to chop inside the jattu wattu. I've got some fresh onions all ready to go. I've got some tomatoes ready to go. The coriander is going to be thrown on. And here we have some Kashmiri mirch, dried Kashmiri mirch. The dry spices which I'm going to use, black cardamom, some cloves in here, green cardamom, and this is just black pepper, got a few black pepper, and some garam masala mix, which includes some zira and coriander seeds. And then I've got some green chilli. Lamb and mint, as you know, goes very well. This is a spearmint kind of mint I've got here, so I just need some few leaves. And while I'm picking these, you can have a look at these. These are my strawberry plants. Strawberry plants are coming on quite nicely. The flowers, of course, will become strawberries. Round here I've got blueberries, and each of these small blueberry flowers that you see will eventually become blueberries. So I just need a few strands of these. This chilli plant I keep indoors. The temperature in Scotland, of course, is not very good for growing chilies. They have to be grown indoors. So I just need a few of these. So I've already added some of the chilli in. I'm going to throw all these garlic inside. Let me throw some of these in as well. Kashmiri lal mirch. Fire on underneath. This is heating up really nicely. This will be used to do the cooking. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the oil on first. This is rapeseed oil I'm using. So some oil. I'll throw on my grinded paste on. So this will cook away the rawness of the garlic and ginger. Okay, so as you can see, I've chopped up my tomatoes onto here as well. And now I'm just going to add my lamb, the marinated lamb. Okay, so putting in about 1 spoon of salt, one spoon of turmeric, 2 spoons of black pepper, 1 spoon of garam masala mix, half a spoon of crushed red chilli. This is some jeera, about 1 spoon, and the lal Kashmiri mirch, I'll add a couple of spoons of this. This is nice for just giving it a nice colour. This is not as hot, but it gives it a nice colour. Okay, and this was the garlic ginger. I'm just going to, I added some water into here just to get the last bits of the garlic ginger. I'm just going to add this in. Cover this up and just leave this for a few minutes just to cook a bit. The fresh coriander. I'm just going to roughly chop this. Nice fresh coriander, always gives it a nice lovely look, and the taste is absolutely amazing. I love coriander. So I'm adding quite a lot. You don't need to add this much, of course, but this is lovely, lovely coriander. Ginger strands on. Squeeze some lemon on top. Chili and mint, I just poured this into the water just to give it a bit of a wash. I'm going to throw these on as well. I love chili, as you can probably tell from my dishes. So plenty of chili. As you can see, this tawa lamb, जो हमने बनाया है तवा lamb, it's just about ready to finish off now. I've added the last touches onto here, and I'm just going to merge this in and dish out, ready for eating and enjoying, of course. तो देखें कैसे बना है हमारा तवा गोश्त. Dish it out and ready to serve. Amchoor, and that just closes the whole thing off, of course. It just lifts the whole dish up to another level. Amchoor is just dried mango powder, of course, and it's kind of tangy, so there you have it, folks. तो ये था हमारा लाम गोश्त तवे के ऊपर बनाया हमने. आप भी बनाए, मज़ा करें, बहुत मज़ेदार का बना है. Okay folks, so I will see you again with another video. Bye.